the new Smyrna trucks. Oh boy. Temper spilling over. Lester got into the 21 off turn number 4. Then he went to the outside and Chuck Hires, well, he stuffed him into the fence, folks. And we've got some big-time extracurricular activities. You're definitely going to want to watch Speedway video when he posts this. Nobody else on the racetrack, please. Everybody in the pit area, you need to stay in the pits. Nobody else on the racetrack, or else you can consider your night over. So the red flag is out after a big crash. Jason Lester's number 7 destroyed. The 21 Chuck Hires, though, that truck's probably destroyed too. Never what you want to see. So red flag out with 10 laps complete. And the 2 leaders are done for the night. And Jason Lester was not happy, and we know Jason Lester is a fiery character, but I can't blame him for not being happy there. But I just mentioned it a couple of weeks ago, the 21 and 7 truck got into it, the 21 went spinning here on the front straightaway, then went spinning on the back straightaway. Those two had gotten into it before, like I said, and now it culminates over here in turn number 2 in a bad way. So now Jason Lester is taking out his frustration on the pit box of the number 21. So we'll draw our 50-50 tickets. Now, folks, there's still some extracurriculars going on in the tech area. James Adams crew, go back to your trailer, please. James Adams crew, you don't need to be involved. Nobody needs to be in anybody else's pit area. Everybody to their own pit areas at this time. Everybody to their pit areas. You stay there or you're not coming back. Everybody to their own pit areas. This does not need to escalate any further. Everybody go to your pit area. Thank you. Love you too, Mike.
It was a good race. Full excitement for everybody. Maybe not all the drivers enjoyed it, but it was good.
Were you ready for the Superstars? Oh, I think we got a winner. Hey, I didn't get you a shirt, but I got you a lot better than a shirt. Let's check your ticket, though. David Gould.